How do you like that? You're kind of leaning on it. You're leaning a little bit.
Can you turn around?
Should I lift it up more?
Yeah, I think so. Hi, honey. Hi, Casper Trold.
Oh.
Hi, Casper. Hi, Casper.
Maybe I should have washed that first.
You need to get up higher, huh?
Say when.
That's good. Bruce. Hey, love.
Ooh, you can stand up in that, huh?
Hi,
Yeah,
Trold.
this needs to be washed.
Hi, Trold. Proud Fanny.
There's some other little... I don't know how to put this thing on. Screw that.
Hej Casper. Casper. Hvad laver du, skat? Casper, hygger du dig? Er det dejligt, skat? Ja. Er det dejligt? Er det rigtigt? Hvad mere har du at fortælle, mor? Har du fået hygge? Har du hygge? Ja. Hvad mere? I know. Hvad så, skat? Hvad så, min dreng? Har du mere at fortælle? Kan du sige mere? Hej. Kan du sige mere, Trold? Hej, Trold. Har du andet at fortælle til mor?
That's what I forgot to get.
Hej. Kan du ikke se mere? Ser du kameraet, så er du færdig med at snakke? Ja. Er du lige ved at være sur? Skal du til at være sur? Uh-oh, battery's almost dead.
I have another one.
Hej, Trold. Hej, skat. Hej, skat.
Up on the toes. Can he even go flat-footed?
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Doesn't look like he can get low enough.
Are you having fun?
In that case, I don't know.
Are you having fun? Hi, Trold.
He knows what to think of it, yeah.
Hey, I need to take a real picture of you.